Alright, so here are the basement fans on high. So I got the Wiley up here. Low profile down here. They're all on high. It's Four Seasons in concept again. It's Panama and Concentra. Panama and Saturns. It's funny how I group these ones together. Due to the lack of fans on high, due to all the fans on high, I think those ones are being laggy. Maybe it's turning into dark mode too. Here's the Panama. It's moving a lot of air. Normally this would be wobbly in person. Both these Saturns are on high right here. This one does not have the Saturn tips, and that one does. The Grandes are on high. Halsey Builders on high. Turned out these speed capacitors might be going bad in this one. High. Origins on high. I don't know what fans are making jet noises, but as you can see. Hello. Original. All 1930s originals, the black and white ones, which are the classic color ones. Now we got red and black next to it, so it's getting the cool display. Somebody join me. I have to go to bed after this and brush my teeth after I record these fans. It says high. High in these ones. And high in the teal ones. So they're all on high. After the 1930s. Just quick connect again. And the Farmington. I think I pointed out these ones. Pin 4C3. Farmington is not that fast. Quick connect's a little faster. Just a quick connect. So he's playing with the lights. Hellos. Black and red's like the black and red 1930s originals. Panama Damp. Bel Air. Bel Air Halo. Cristofano. Which is not going that fast. It's stuttering at 68 inches. And white original 2.0 amp. The Saturn is still not working. It's still pretty dirty. Like, if this is real life, this one would be spinning backwards or spinning with the wind turbulence in the basement, because this is probably causing a lot of turbulence. I'm going to shut all the controlled fans off, so I'm going to say stop. 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 I'm going to turn off. What was going to stop first? Cristofano or the original? Poor Saturn. It's the original's still going. Those originals are 1930s originals about still going. It's hard. I wish these were all in one breaker, because if they were a breaker, I would shut all the whole power off. And somebody's messing with the doors. Is that off or is that low? I can't tell. Concept 2 is slowing down. Right now we're going to shut some of these off. White one's down, white one's at stop, that one's still going. That one's still going. And somebody activated the fire alarm, so I gotta go. Oh. People. Sorry, I gotta go, guys. The fire alarm's going off. Thanks for watching.